Hi guys, welcome to this session in Microsoft Access. In this module, I want to show you how you can give key commands to macros that you create. So first of all, I'm going to create a macro, create macro, and I'm going to use the sub macro feature. So I'm just double clicking on sub macro, which gets me a sub macro. Now normally you would give that a name, but what I'm going to do is give it a key command, and you do it like this. I'm holding my shift key down, I'm clicking on 6 to put that symbol in there, and then I'm going to put the letter A. That would mean I can activate this macro once I've saved the whole thing by doing Control A. So what I want to do on this one is just open a form, press enter on that. So the form will be one from my database, customer details. That'll do. And then I'm going to get myself another sub macro, and I'm going to do another key command. This time it'll be S, Control S. And on this one, I'm going to open report. And the report I want is calculations, that one. Now, to get this to work, you have to save this macro as AutoKeys, which is what I'm going to do, save the whole thing. It's asking me to save it as AutoKeys, so I will. Now, once you do that, that activates that key command. I don't even need to close this macro. I can just do Control A, and it will open the customer form, and Control S, it will open the calculations report. Now, obviously, as you go down, you can add more and more macros in here. You don't have to. If I just click on that little minus, so you've got them all collapsed there. You could fill the whole database with macros that are inside this AutoKeys macro, and then just use those key commands. And you'll only have one macro sitting down here. Now, not all of them can go in here, but quite a lot can. That's how the AutoKeys feature works. So I'll just close that one down. Yes, I do. Save that. So let's try it with it closed down. So do Control A, opens that form. Control S, opens that report. Now what I want to do is create another macro, and this time I'm going to save it as AutoExec. What that means is that macro will run when I open this database. So let's have a look at doing that one. Create macro, still macro, open form. So the form I want to open is going to be the main menu form. So I'll select main menu from this list, main menu, and then it's down as window as normal. You've got different options in there. Now, if I type maximize window as a second action, that means it's going to open this, then it's going to make it full screen, or not full screen, but big. So I'll save this. I'll call it AutoExec like that. It has to be named that. I click OK, close it down. Now, if I close this database down, when I go to reopen this database, it will run that macro. So let's just try that. So I'll go close, and then I want to open it. So I'll go File. That's it there. And it should run that macro, and it does. It's opened up main menu and made it full screen, or maximize the window, which is what I wanted. So AutoKeys gives you the option for key commands, like Control A will open a form, Control S that I did will open a report. Save that as AutoKeys. This last one is AutoExec. That will automatically start when you start this database. So hopefully that information is of use. Thank you for your time, and I'll catch you on the next one.